Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will teach you how to make a custom crosshair. Now you're going to go into settings up here, then you're going to go into keyboard. Now look at my custom crosshair like this. I'm going to teach you how to make one of those. So firstly what you're going to do is you're going to go down here to add new save. Let's just call this custom crosshair, whatever, one, if I can spell, whatever. And as you can see now, this is just the normal one. I'm going to turn off this because that's just the animation. Now firstly we have the reticle type, and that is if you want the circle, it's like this. If you have crosshair, if you want this or dot or everything combined, you get the gist. I prefer crosshair like this. Now you want to make sure that the advanced tab like this is turned on. Then down here you have the width of your crosshair. As you can see, the lines and the dots get bigger. I prefer mine at, let's just say, 20, like so. And here you can have details again, where you want the dot go bigger, or if you want the lines to go bigger, you get the gist of it. It's quite simple. Then you have down here details, and this is about opacity, and you can even see it here. You can make it invisible. I don't recommend doing this, so we're just gonna leave this as it was. Then we have the outline here. As you can see now, it's just how clear the outline is. I prefer mine a bit higher because it makes it easy to see, like so, 60. And then we have outline opacity. Don't touch with that also, it doesn't really matter. Then we have the blur effect. We don't can touch this. As you can see, it just makes our crosshair blurry, so we don't want that. Then we have the center gap here. That is how far away the lines from the dot are. If it was a circle, it will make the circle smaller. I prefer mine pretty tight like this, because then I can, in reticle opacity, if I want to turn off my dot like so, I can just do this and now I have a normal one. So if you want the dot, make sure it's 100. If you don't want it, make it at 0. And crosshair length, that's how big these are. Let's just turn this to, say, 25. I like mine quite small. So let's just make the center gap even a bit smaller, like just 18, like so. And then here you can angle it if you want it turned like this. I don't know why you would that, but yeah, I just prefer mine at 0. And then down here we have the colors. You can take red or yellow or green, whatever. And you can even choose your own default color if you go into custom here. As you can see here now, I can just make it like cyan blue or whatever, like so. And as you can see down here, it has a ton of different saturations you can play with. It's really that simple. And that is how you make a crosshair. And of course, most important, you have to press save, and then you can choose it. I have my normal one, the one we just made, the default one. As you can see, it's quite simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.